everyone. This is Chef Mark of Appliance Factory Fine Lines, and I am in the Superstore of Appliance Factory Mattress Kingdom in Thornton. We've got everything in this store, and we've got something new and exciting and special. We have the air fry technology by Frigidaire. Let's talk about air fryers. Traditionally, you see them as a countertop appliance. They're kind of an egg-shaped appliance. They're about yay big. And the way those work is you put a small amount of oil in them. It runs a fan. That oil atomizes. It creates hot air, and it really penetrates the food. French fries work really well. These systems work great. However, it's a large countertop appliance. They're a little on the expensive side. I've seen them come down to about $100, but when they first came out, they were double and triple the price of that. And some other downfalls of those, you can only do a small amount, only up to like 2 or 3 portions of French fries at a time, and they took 15 to 20 minutes. But the benefits are no additional oil, other than that little bit of maybe a teaspoon of oil just to kind of get the cooking process underway. So a very healthy way to fry. We're now seeing air fry technology integrated into our range of stoves, ovens, and even some of the combination microwaves. So what Frigidaire offers is a basket. You spray that basket, and it's a very fine mesh basket. You spray it down with cooking oil, and you set your food on top of that. I looked at their website, and they're really all about the chicken wings, which I love. So they put their chicken wings on there. They have them breaded. Maybe spray a small amount of oil on that. And when you put it on the air fry button, which is right here, air fry. And for something like chicken wings, I recommend 450 degrees. You wait till the thing is preheated, which takes about 30 minutes, and they might go bing, it's ready, but I always give it an extra few minutes just to make sure I got good, proper heat. And in about 30 minutes, you're going to have beautiful fried chicken wings. So how does the technology work? It's really just circulating hot air at a really fast pace, at a really fast speed. So what I could tell, doing some research, is that usually a convection oven pulls and draws air into the oven, and it circulates around and pushes the air back out very gently. And what this does is reverses the fan speed and pushes the air rapidly into the food. So it recommends that you put that basket full of food really kind of eye level with the fan so that you're getting maximum penetration of hot air. Other systems I've seen by other manufacturers actually redirect that air and have it pushed down through really small pinholes on the top. So this is, I think, a more economical way to offer air fry technology, and it's very exciting that it's in an oven. The nice thing about this is because you don't have really much additional oil, I don't think your oven's going to get a lot dirtier. They actually recommend that you put a piece of foil underneath that to help catch some particulates, just keep your oven clean. And of course, you have self-clean as well. This is available in standard electric top like this, induction, and gas range top. So lots and lots of options. Swing on by Appliance Factory. I'm here in Thornton, but we have over 20 locations in Colorado. To learn more, this is Chef Mark. Like and subscribe.